Welcome to our video on vegan meal replacement shakes and how they work. In this video, we will explore what vegan meal replacement shakes are and how they can be a convenient and nutritious option for those following a vegan lifestyle or looking to replace a meal. So, let's get started. Vegan meal replacement shakes are specially formulated drinks that are designed to provide a balanced and complete meal in a convenient and easy-to-consume format. They typically contain a blend of plant-based proteins, carbohydrates, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. These shakes offer a quick and hassle-free way to meet your nutritional needs without having to prepare a full meal from scratch. Vegan meal replacement shakes work by providing a nutrient-dense and calorie-controlled option that can be consumed as a substitute for a regular meal. The carefully balanced ingredients in these shakes help to ensure that you're getting the necessary macronutrients and micronutrients to keep your body fueled and functioning optimally. They can be used as a convenient on-the-go meal option, or as a tool for managing calorie intake and supporting weight loss or maintenance goals. There are several benefits to incorporating vegan meal replacement shakes into your diet. Firstly, they offer convenience, as they can be prepared quickly and easily. Secondly, they provide a complete and balanced nutrition profile, ensuring that you're getting all the essential nutrients your body needs. Additionally, they can aid in weight management by controlling portion sizes and reducing the temptation to make unhealthy food choices. Lastly, vegan meal replacement shakes can be a helpful tool for individuals with busy lifestyles or those who struggle to eat regular meals due to time constraints. When choosing a vegan meal replacement shake, it's important to consider the ingredients, nutritional content, and your specific dietary needs. Look for shakes that include a good balance of plant-based proteins, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. It's also a good idea to opt for shakes that are free from artificial additives, preservatives, and excessive sugars. Make sure to read the labels and do your research to find a shake that aligns with your preferences and goals. To sum up, vegan meal replacement shakes are a convenient and nutritious option for those following a vegan lifestyle or looking for a quick and easy meal replacement. They provide a complete nutrition profile, aid in weight management, and can be a valuable tool for those with busy schedules. Remember to choose a shake that suits your dietary needs and preferences. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding what vegan meal replacement shakes are and how they work.